I'm going to show you how to replace one of these guys. Let's see how it's broken. First, take off the top. Be careful and not to break it, and put it in a safe place. Some of the common problems is this chain needs to be adjusted. In my case, the whole thing just snapped. It's a plastic piece, so it's easily can break right here. So the first thing you want to do is take off this clip, like that. So then this right here is a nut that you need to unscrew. Use tools if necessary, and then this just pops right out. Now take your new one and feed it through the hole right over here. Like that. Now take the plastic nut and tighten it onto the flusher. Take some vice grips and tighten it, but be careful not to over tighten it because these are plastic and they will break and strip. Just enough to where you feel it's pretty tight. Then take this clip and put it back on. Like that. Now we're ready to test. Perfect. Now put the cover back on. And you're all set.